How you die on every planet. The helpful guide to the universe's hostility. Picture this, you're cozied up in your favorite chair, binging a show, munching on snacks, and suddenly, zap, you're whisked away by some cosmic force and plop down on a random planet in our solar system. No suit, no oxygen, not even shoes. Just you, your bad decisions, and space's cold, merciless indifference. Here's your hilariously tragic survival guide. Spoiler, you won't survive. For how the universe would gleefully annihilate you on every planet. Number 1. Mercury, the cosmic George Foreman grill. Say hello to Mercury, the sun's tiny lava rock of a neighbor. It's got no real atmosphere, just a sad whisper of gas pretending to be protective. Which means you're instantly introduced to the unfiltered joy of solar radiation, vacuum exposure, and wild temperature swings that would make a bipolar volcano blush. Land on the day side, you're flash fried in seconds at 800 degrees Fahrenheit. Land on the night side, you're frozen into a cosmic popsicle at minus 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Your blood boils, your skin crisps, and your eyeballs pop like overfilled balloons. Try to run to the other side. You won't make it. You'll be reduced to interplanetary jerky before taking 2 steps. Mercury, for when you want your death fast, crispy, and over easy. Also, the fun fact is, if you somehow survive the temperature, the solar winds will strip your atoms apart like a cosmic exfoliation treatment, one that ends with you as a glowing cloud of disappointment. Number 2. Venus, the flaming steam room of death. Venus is what happens when a planet lets itself go and decides it hates life. The surface temperature is 900 degrees Fahrenheit. Hotter than Mercury because its atmosphere is basically a thick blanket of greenhouse gas playing slow cooker. You arrive. Your lungs implode. Your bones shatter like breadsticks under 92 times Earth's pressure. Acid rain starts dissolving your face. But don't worry, you're already melting like mozzarella on a stove. The skies are a suffocating orange smog, the wind is slow but oppressive, and the entire environment exists as if to remind you that you're not welcome. Venus doesn't just kill you, it makes a production out of it. Welcome to your funeral fondue. And if you're hoping for a final view, good luck. The clouds are so thick, you won't even see your doom coming. You'll just feel it in every molecule of your rapidly cooking body. Number 3. The Earth, the comfortable apocalypse. Yes, the Earth, our lovely little death trap. Sure, it's the only place you can survive, but let's not kid ourselves. It's still trying to murder you, just with more subtlety. Traffic, sugar, social media algorithms, reality TV, the rent, microplastics in your sushi. Earth kills you slowly, one bad decision at a time. It hands you Wi-Fi, processed food, stupid climate anxiety, and the illusion of control, then says, good luck. Still, you can breathe here, so that's a plus. At least you get junk food with your slow demise. Silver linings. The Earth's charm is in the slow burn. You're not immediately vaporized. You just gradually forget how to be happy until your spirit dies before your body does. A gentle, poetic assassination. Number 4. Mars, the red desert of doom. Mars, the poster child for future colonies. Sounds cool, right? Think again. It's cold, dry, dusty, and deadlier than a vacuum cleaner full of red dirt and shattered dreams. You step out, try to breathe. Boom. Your lungs fill with 95% carbon dioxide. Suffocation begins immediately. Temperature, minus 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Now you're a human icicle in a dusty freezer. The dust invades your eyes, sinuses, and soul. And obviously, it's toxic. Also, enjoy the thrill of getting cancer from solar radiation. But hey, great view of Olympus Mons while your body gets wind mummified. If you're lucky, some rover might roll by and film your final resting pose. Also, the gravity is weak. So while you're dying, you'll bounce like a sad rubber ball. Not quite majestic. It is more like a tragic space-themed Looney Tunes sketch. Number 5. Jupiter, the cosmic pressure cooker. Jupiter's like a skydiving trip straight into hell. You teleport in and immediately start falling. Forever. There's no solid ground. Just storms. Lots of storms. You're whipped by 400 miles per hour winds, pulled downward into increasingly hostile layers of gas. Pressure builds. Your bones fold. Your organs liquefy. Eventually, you're an atomic smoothie. And the radiation. It's like soaking your DNA in a nuclear jacuzzi. Jupiter kills you 5 different ways before brunch. You never touch bottom, you just get absorbed into the chaos. It's like being digested by a sky whale with anger issues. And if you thought the Great Red Spot was pretty, that's a hurricane bigger than Earth that's been raging for centuries. You might get swirled into it like sprinkles on a deadly cosmic cupcake. Number 6. Saturn, the beautiful death trap. Saturn looks majestic. It's the Instagram filter of the solar system. But land here and your death becomes a work of art. The pastel clouds are swirling death. The winds roar faster than a Formula One car on Red Bull. Try landing on those gorgeous rings. They're just icy shrapnel moving at Mach speed. You're the piñata in a celestial demolition derby. Fall into the planet, and pressure crushes you into a space pancake and a milkshake, then nothing. Saturn. Beauty, brutality, and betrayal all in one. The prettiest way to die horribly. And don't forget, its magnetic field could fry your internal organs before the atmosphere even gets a chance. Saturn is the kind of beautiful that stabs you in the back while smiling for a portrait. Number 7. Uranus, the galactic joke. Uranus. Yes, we're pronouncing it the funny way. And yes, the planet is still a joke, but a deadly one. So cold at minus 370 degrees Fahrenheit. Its atmosphere is a methane cocktail from a gassy death bar. You land, freeze instantly, and your body becomes a tragic ice sculpture. Then the pressure crushes you into space goo. To top it off, Uranus rotates on its side, because even its spin is broken. This whole planet is a cosmic prank. You're death, frostbitten, sideways, and slightly humiliating. Imagine slipping on ice and landing in the punchline of a bad astronomy joke. Also, it smells. Really. With all that methane, your last breath. If you could take one, would be like sniffing a rotten egg in a meat locker. The indignity never ends. Number 8. Neptune, ice-cold chaos. Neptune, where wind hates you personally. It greets you with 1,200 miles per hour gusts, strong enough to strip paint, dignity, and skin. You're tossed like a paper airplane in a tornado from hell. It's freezing. It's toxic. And oh, that beautiful blue hue isn't water. It's methane. The pressure squishes you like a grape. Death by a hurricane smoothie. It's a gorgeous nightmare. A cold, violent, breathless dance through doom. Neptune isn't a planet, it's a blender with mood lighting. And if you survive long enough, you might float through its diamond rain. Yes, actual diamonds. Before being shattered into twinkling oblivion. Neptune, the bougie execution. Number 9. Pluto, where death gets existential. Pluto might be tiny and demoted, but don't underestimate its ability to off you with flair. It's basically the cosmic version of a haunted ice cube. You land and freeze faster than a popsicle in liquid nitrogen. There's no atmosphere worth mentioning. No warmth. Just you. Darkness. And the slow realization that the sun is now just a shiny speck in the abyss. You die of exposure. Then hunger. Then the crushing loneliness of knowing nobody's coming. Pluto doesn't kill you fast. It lets you marinate in your own insignificance. It's not a death. It's a long, awkward goodbye. The most painful part. You have time to think about every mistake you've ever made before the cold erases all memory. Pluto, the silent treatment in planetary form. Bonus round. The moon. Death in slow motion. Our moon. Romantic in poems. Ruthless in person. You hop onto the surface with dreams of cool moonwalks. Then your lungs give out because there's no air. Your blood starts bubbling. Your suit tears from the razor blade dust. Gravity's only 1/6 of Earth's, so you float like a sad balloon animal while slowly suffocating. You die gazing at Earth, wishing you'd stayed home watching cat videos. Death by regret in slow motion. Also, the sunlight is unfiltered. So if the vacuum doesn't cook you, the ultraviolet rays will. You're basically a barbecue snack for physics. Super bonus. The sun instant vaporization. Teleporting to the sun isn't brave. It's dumb. Surface temps hit 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit. and the core. Millions of degrees. You don't land. You disintegrate midair. No pain. No time to scream. Just poof stardust. You become solar confetti. The universe throws you a farewell party made of light and ash. You are now part of a solar flare. Congratulated for your stupidity by thermonuclear physics. Your atoms will be scattered across the galaxy, drifting with the solar wind like the remains of a really bad decision. Final words. Space is the worst Airbnb. So there you have it, space in all its hateful, soul-crushing glory. No refunds. No warm welcome. Just a universe packed with front-row seats to your personal demise. Next time you complain about your slow internet or overpriced coffee, just remember, at least your lungs aren't turning into raisins. Hug your gravity. High-five your oxygen. And maybe, just maybe, don't hit the random teleport button. Or if you do, leave a note. Someone might want to turn your tale into a Netflix docuseries. Maybe call it Dead in Orbit. One idiot's journey through the solar system. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please consider subscribing, leaving a like, and dropping a comment below. And if you'd like to support the channel even further, you can follow me on TikTok and Instagram for more content like this, and you can find my other social media in the description below. See you in the next video.